we got the Diablo rockets by Pyro Diablo fireworks. There is 4 rockets in this pack for $8, and these rockets are actually pretty long. Yeah, pretty interesting. I've had these for a while as well. No product number or product description or anything like that. That is the product number right there. Yeah, I've had these for a while. I'm curious to see what they do, so we'll go ahead and light these off. Actually, go ahead and open this up and see what we got going on here. So that's one of them. Pretty decent sized rocket. I'm not sure if these are whistle rockets. They look long like most whistle rockets, but that's a cardboard tube, so I have no idea. So yeah, let's go ahead and see what these things do, and yeah. Okay, I just noticed something. These rockets are color coded on the bottom of the stick. I'm not sure what this means, but we got yellow, purple, blue, and this one has nothing on it. So, not sure what that's all about. So, we'll figure what that, we'll find out what that is about, and probably color coded or just random, I don't know. Alright, here goes the first one. This one has yellow on the stick. Nice. This one has purple. Very nice. This one's the bluish green. And last but not least, this is the one without any color. Nice. Those are actually pretty good. I don't hate them. Dick. Yeah, these Diablo rockets are actually a lot better than I thought they would be. I'm gonna be kind of honest with you guys. I was expecting them to be more like those rockets that kind of just poof out the stars, not really much of a report. But these actually had reports, and they were decently loud. So I definitely do like these rockets. They're not your state-of-the-art, boring little 2-ounce rockets or 8-ounce rockets. That kind of stuff. You're actually getting pretty much the bang for your buck there. So $8 for 4, not horrible price, but could be a little bit lower considering that they are pretty small. Maybe like $5, something like that would probably work out. Still, it would still be $1 per rocket, but a little bit less than 8. Yeah, I do like these. Definitely very nice. And this is Time Machine by Taco Pyrotechnics, which unfortunately the video for this got scrapped. I don't know, you probably already seen the post that I made on that. The footage that I made for this video, it just corrupted, it just disappeared, nowhere to be found. So I have no idea what's going on there. So I'm gonna try and find one more of these and redo that demo. But yeah, this is not a bad cake. It's very small bore, but it's not bad at all. I do like it, so yeah. We'll see if I can find another one of these. And yeah, Diablo rockets, very nice. So thank you guys for watching, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time with another video. I've got a stash update coming up pretty soon, so stay tuned for that.